How to change an email address on a Gmail iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change an email address on a Gmail iPhone. First, launch and open the Gmail app on your phone. Now tap the profile picture in the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, select the Manage Your Google Account button. You will be directed to the Google account to change it. Here, reach the Personal Info section from the top bar. Next, scroll down and tap Email in the Contact Info. You can manage the email addresses associated with your Google account. After that, tap the Google account email option. You need to enter your password to verify it's you. Finally, you'll be able to change your email address. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.